How often should I rinse my mouth with salt water for loose teeth?
Hello everyone. Welcome to this enlightening discussion on oral care. Today, we're going to talk about how often you should rinse your mouth with salt water if you have loose teeth. Remember, home remedies like salt water rinses can be supportive, but they should not replace professional dental care.
What does salt water do?
Salt water rinses are a traditional home remedy for oral health issues. Salt, when dissolved in water, can act as an antiseptic, killing bacteria and reducing inflammation in the gums. This can help with numerous oral health issues like gum diseases or infections, and it may help to temporarily stabilize loose teeth.
How often should you rinse?
The frequency of rinsing your mouth with salt water will depend on the severity of your symptoms and your general oral health. However, a common recommendation is to rinse with salt water 2 to 3 times a day. Keep in mind, this should be done after meals to remove any trapped food particles, and not as a replacement for brushing and flossing.
How to make a salt water rinse?
Creating a salt water rinse is simple. Dissolve half a teaspoon of salt in 8 ounces of warm water. Stir it until the salt is completely dissolved. Then, take a mouthful of the solution and swish it around your mouth for about 30 seconds before spitting it out. Never swallow the salt water.
When to seek professional help?
While a salt water rinse might help alleviate some discomfort and could possibly tighten loose teeth temporarily, it's not a permanent solution. Loose teeth are often a symptom of underlying issues like gum disease, injury, or tooth decay. It's critical to consult a dentist if you have persistently loose teeth. They can determine the root cause and provide suitable treatment options. To wrap up, rinsing with salt water can be a beneficial add-on to your daily oral hygiene routine. But remember, it's not a cure-all. If you have loose teeth, it's a sign that you need to schedule a visit to your dentist. In the meantime, keep brushing, keep flossing, and yes, keep rinsing. Stay healthy and keep smiling.